When the rain is gently falling and there's mist across the fields, I can hear spirit calling. That's when my life feels so real. As the sun is slowly shining, there are blue skies around. Fluffy white clouds slowly passing makes me want